Miss World 2025 is Thailand.
I think as a pageant fan from the Philippines, we should be happy for Thailand's latest accomplishment sa pagkapanalo nila sa Miss World 2025. As an ASEAN neighbor from Philippines to Thailand, deserve din naman nila yung tinatamasa nilang accomplishments sa ngayon. Kasi meron silang glam team, meron silang sea of supporters, marami silang mga sponsorship, and hindi sila nagsawa. Very consistent sila sa pagpapadala ng queens, pagte-training ng queens, and pagpro-provide sa mga kinakailangan ng kanilang queens sa mga international beauty pageants katulad ni Opal. As you can see here, Thailand is now slowly proving itself as the emerging powerhouse in beauty pageants. Kaya meron na silang Miss Supranational, Miss Universe, Miss World, nakakapanalo lang ni Opal, and then Miss International crowns. Kaya deserve din nila ang recognition, and congratulations to Thailand for a job well done. Aminin natin, there is something glowing about Thailand dyan sa pageant night. Kaya kung papansinin nyo, parang wow, napaka-mesmerizing naman yung tignan sa stage. Ang isang factor na napansin ko, correct me if I'm wrong, ay yung styling niya. So, yung gown na sinuot niya, tapos meron pa siyang props effect para mas mukhang regal, extravagant, pero mas classy siyang tignan. And then, the hair. Bumagay talaga yung hair sa outfit niya, no? Parang naka-ready talaga sa crown. And then, yung facial, eksena niya, the makeup, the styling, lahat, perfect talaga para sa kanyang crowning glory during that night. Tapos, ang napansin ko, malakas yung stage presence niya in a way na kalmado lang siya pero ramdam mo na sumisigaw yung confidence factor niya. Tapos yung kanyang pagsagot, alam mo yung napaka-relax talaga na alam mong kontrolado niya ang sitwasyon. So it's like she is already giving it. Bilang isang pageant fan from the Philippines, sobrang happy ako sa top 8 finish ni Krishna Gravides from Baguio City. Kasi hindi biro makapasok sa top 8 over 100 plus na contestants from all over the world yan ha. Kaya biruin mo parang top 8 honors si Krishna. So congratulations sa kanya kasi bagong accomplishment ito. If you're going to take a look at this picture, nakuha na natin yung mga alpha crowns with CJ as the latest inclusion na may a-appoint siya later on. So it is about time na we should be also happy na nagiging